Here's how Krzysztof Kobylinski from ADI Leak Detection found and fixed a hidden water leak at a property in Kingsclere. Krzysztof Kobylinski attended a property in Kingsclere on behalf of ADI Leak Detection, applying acoustic listening equipment, thermal imaging, tracer gas and moisture mapping to trace the water leak. The leak was located and repaired. And here's what customer Terry Watt said. Excellent service from start to finish. Caroline was very helpful and informative in the initial call, explaining fully how it worked and what the steps were, and then we were lucky enough to have Kristof arrive on the day. He was very thorough, identified where the leak was under the screed in the living room, and then carried out the repair with minimal mess or disruption. Highly recommended, and thank you to ADI. For leak detection in Kingsclere, call ADI Leak Detection on 0800 731 3843.